One of the things that we've tried to do, make available, and I really ought to just hook up my screen here, is all of these screens that we've got on here are extremely responsive, meaning they resize themselves to fit the screen based off of what it looks like. So whenever you're looking at contacts and stuff on the screen, you can scroll and stuff if you need to, but most of the screens will resize and do the things that they want to do. One comment that we got from one of our users asking about the pipeline, the business pipeline piece. So last week we talked about the business pipeline from the property side. So if you go into your properties area and you click on the little hamburger menu and go to business pipeline, the challenge with this screen is, it's wide. There's lots of stuff on there, and the question was, how do you deal with that on a mobile? Because if you touch the mobile and like you can just using a single finger move things, but if you do that on top of a card, it tries to move the card. Okay, so that becomes what is perceived as a problem. But I want to tell everybody that you can use 3 fingers instead of like 3 touch points, and whenever you're using 3 fingers, it treats it as a scroll, so instead of a drag. So if you're using just 1 finger, it'll drag. If you use 3 fingers, it will scroll both up and down and left and right, just to let you guys know some usability stuff. That's kind of a built-in feature of the phone, not anything that we necessarily add, just the way the browser and things work within the system. So